Hello friends, welcome to a very important and useful topic, which is significance of mean. This topic, this concept will be very much useful for you when you are going to conduct research in the field of social science and particularly in the field of education. Okay, so let us look at the concept. What is it? We have already understood about the concept of population, concept of sample, which we will use or which we use in research process. Okay, so while conducting research, we do not take the whole population, we take a part of the population which is called as sample, and that part has to be representative. That we have already discussed in our previous videos, correct? So this significance of mean or significance of any other statistics, which we will be doing in subsequent videos with subsequent classes, this concept is related to that sample and population. Okay, because our research is conducted on a sample, but we generalize the result of that research which has been conducted on the sample. We generalize that result to the population. So it is necessary for the researchers, it is necessary for us that we ensure maximum nearer result, okay, maximum accuracy to the result, so that the result of the sample is very near to the result of the population. Then only it will be good. It will be good to generalize the result of sample to that of the population. Okay, let us first look at the concept that we are going to discuss in this video. The concept is significance of mean. Significance of mean. This, when we are saying significance of mean, this mean is, it is not always mean. This is one statistics which we are using here. It may be sometimes median, it may be sometimes quartile deviation and other statistics also. But at present in this video we are discussing the topic significance of mean. Okay, let us look at the sentence which is written here. What is significance of mean? It is the degree to which sample mean, mind this one, sample mean represents its parameter, mind this one also, and parameter is population mean. So degree to which sample mean represents its parameter is an index of significance. Okay, this significance which we are talking about, index of significance or trustworthiness of the computed sample mean. Look, we can use either significance or trustworthiness. Means here significance actually means trustworthiness. Okay, how much we can trust the sample. Okay, how much we can trust the result of the sample so as to generalize it to the population. That is called as significance of that particular statistics. Here in this concept we are discussing about significance of mean. Suppose we have a population of 1000, okay, 1000 cases or 1000 individuals, and we have taken a sample of 100 cases. Okay, so we require, suppose we need the sample, we need to find out the mean of the population. Okay, population means we need to find out the population of 1000 cases. But in research we do not conduct research on population when the population particularly is large. What we do, we take a representative sample of that population. So we have taken 100 cases in our sample, and we have computed the mean of the sample. And then we need to, when we have found that the mean of sample is, suppose, let us take an example, suppose mean of that 100 cases is found to be 61. Okay, so how much we are confident, how much it is trustworthy, how much we can trust that this sample mean, which is 61, okay, 61 has been calculated by collecting data from only 100 cases. Okay, so how much we can trust that this 61 will be applicable to 1000 also? That can be calculated through the concept of significance of mean. That is called as significance of mean. Okay, we have calculated the mean of a sample, but we are going to apply that mean to population. But how much it is trustworthy, how much we can trust the mean of the sample to be applicable to the mean of the population. So this is the concept of significance of mean. Okay, this is what we have written in this sentence. Now another very important concept which comes when we are discussing significance of mean is standard error of mean. This is a fact that it is not possible that the mean which has been calculated from the sample of 100 will be exactly, accurately 100% equal to the mean of 1000 population. Okay, the population of 1000. There has to be some, at least some or the other level of error. Okay, there will be some error, but we need to minimize the error. Okay, that we will look later how to minimize. But here this error means that thing, how much sample mean and population mean are deviated from each other. So standard error of mean, what does it mean? Standard deviation of distribution of sample mean. See, the sample means the sample mean and parameter will not be remember this thing, when we are talking about the results or the statistics which has been done on sample, we call it statistics. And when the results means, suppose a mean of population, median of population, quartile deviation of population, or anything of population is called as parameter, and anything of sample is called as statistics. Okay, when you are calculating mean of sample, median of sample, quartile deviation of sample, standard deviation of sample, anything of sample is called as statistics, and anything of population is called as parameter. So standard error of mean, here standard deviation of distribution of the distribution of sample mean. See, when sample means are deviated from the population mean, the extent to which the sample mean is deviated from the population mean, that is called as standard error of mean. And we have a formula to find out the standard error of mean, which is the symbol of standard error of mean is this, SE, and M is written in small. Okay, this is standard deviation. Here we have written no standard deviation, and in the denominator we have n. N is the number of cases in sample, which we have written here. Okay, this we have clearly written here as this sigma is signifying standard deviation of samples. Okay, standard deviation of sample, we cannot take we cannot have different standard deviation for sample and population. Generally the standard deviation of population is the standard deviation of sample actually. So whatever, either population or sample, we will have only one standard deviation. So this is the standard deviation of sample, or you can say population also, whatever it is. This sigma signifies standard deviation of sample, and this n signifies the number of cases in sample. Okay, so ultimately what is it? We have understood about the concept of significance of mean and the concept of standard error of mean, and we got to know about the formula of standard error of mean. We will be using this in our future or in our subsequent videos, in our subsequent applications. Okay, so I believe this is clear for you. Thank you.